What's going on, YouTube family? Y'all don't already know, man. Exhaust Addicts, literally one of the best exhaust places you can go to. I'm in the process right now of I'm getting a full delete. And also getting some 5-inch tips on the back of it. As you can see, the old mufflers, end mufflers are out. So yeah, I can't wait for y'all to hear this sound, of this motherfucker, because the sound is gonna be completely different. As y'all can see, man, I'm out with the old factory. You know what I'm saying? Put a straight pipe, 5-inch tips, man. I can't wait for y'all to hear this sound on this thing. Yes, sir. Time to hear that monster now.